Hello everyone. My name is FG. Welcome to my channel FG Facts Describer. I hope you all will fine. So in this video I will tell you 10 facts about Canada country. So here are the 10 most rare and informative facts about Canada country. Fact number 1. Canada has the longest coastline in the world, stretching over 202,080 kilometers. Fact number 2. The country has the largest number of lakes in the world, containing about 20% of the world's fresh water. Fact number 3. Canada is home to the world's oldest known rocks, found in the Canadian Shield and dating back over 4 billion years. Fact number 4. It is estimated that about 85% of Canada's land is uninhabited, making it one of the most sparsely populated countries in the world. Fact number 5. Canada has more polar bears than any other nation, with roughly 60% of the world's polar bear population residing there. Fact number 6. The Canadian Rockies are some of the most breathtaking and scenic mountain ranges in the world, known for their stunning peaks and glacial lakes. Fact number 7. The province of Quebec is the second largest producer of maple syrup in the world, following Vermont in the United States. Fact number 8. Canada has two national sports, ice hockey, also known as hockey, and lacrosse. Fact number 9. The country is known for its multiculturalism, with over 200 ethnic origins reported by Canadian citizens. Fact number 10. Canada is famous for its wildlife, including moose, beavers, caribou, and the iconic Canadian goose, which has become a symbol of the country. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you want you can also like my videos and subscribe my channel. Trust me, it's 100% free to like and subscribe.